What is going on, guys? I want to talk briefly about foam rolling. What does it do, and do we even need to be doing it? So people ask me all the time, how much should I be foam rolling? Or, when should I be foam rolling? And I'll always ask them, well, why do you even want to foam roll? And they'll say, well, I want to break up scar tissue or loosen muscles or release these adhesions that I feel. So let's talk about that a little bit. I'm going to take you back to my anatomy days in school. When we were in school, we were lucky enough to work with human cadavers. So we had these very sharp little German engineered stainless steel scalpels that we would use to cut through the layers of skin and fascia and muscles in these cadavers. And even with these little sharp blades, we would have a tough time separating some of these layers in the body. So with that being said, do you think a dull piece of foam like this would stand a chance at making any changes in the body that a scalpel has a hard time doing? Absolutely not. And there is no research to prove that foam rolling breaks up any type of scar tissue within the body. And that's a good thing. We don't want our bodies to be so fragile that our tissues in our body can be affected by a dull piece of foam. So, what does foam rolling even do? There is some research to say that foam rolling can improve mobility in the short term. But that mobility could be seen with some light dynamic stretching or just by moving around. So it might not just be the foam roller doing that, it might just be that you're moving around and you're seeing better mobility because of it. So, should we be foam rolling? You can if you want, but you certainly don't have to. If the only way it could hurt is if you go too hard with the foam roll. Some people talk about, really trying to break things up. Well, that's not happening. We know that's not happening, so we don't need to be aggressive with our foam rolling. Keep it light, keep it brief if you feel like you have to be foam rolling, but you don't have to be. Some light movement, some dynamic stretching can do the job just as well, if not better. So I hope that helps. Share with anybody you think could benefit from this, and I will see you guys next time.